Hello, everybody. I welcome you to my channel. My name is Coach Roslyn, and I'm a life coach. I'm a student. I'm an evangelist of the gospel of Jesus Christ. I'm everything that you want me to be. So, this is a very quick video, a short video, and anybody that watches this video or those who have subscribed to my channel. So I want to talk briefly about birth controls. I am I'm a believer of Jesus, and I don't believe in all those condoms and other things. So I do go with the calendar method, the natural way, the calendar method, abstinence, and using safe days and avoiding unsafe days. And I just had a baby 2 weeks ago, and my third child, the girl, it took 4 years for me to have this new one. And even having this new one, I deliberately had her. It wasn't any mistake from the calendar, or nothing failed. So if you want me to make tutorials about how to use the calendar method to space out your child bearing, your delivery, your kids giving birth, comment below. Say, I want you to make a video about it, and let me know, and I'll take my time. I already have all the details and everything. I just have to make time and put the tutorials together. So if you want to learn how to use the natural method, abstinence, using the save days and unsafe days, the calendar method, comment below, let me know. And the more people I get, then I know that more people are interested in it, and I'll let you know. So it took 4 years for me to have this one, and this is my last one. And I'm still going to use the calendar method till I get into menopause. It works. If you know how to use it, it works. It's the best way. If you're a believer like me and you don't want to use those condoms and all those things that the Lord is against, okay? So let me know if you're interested in that, and I'll go ahead and make tutorials whenever. I'm a very busy mom, very busy student, very busy life coach and everything, but I'll make time and make that tutorials for the many comments I get about that. All right, thank you for watching, and subscribe if you haven't done so. I love you all. Bye.